Hello everyone, it's me, Candy Grand Prix. You see, it looks like it's about to rain. It's Wednesday, October 28, 2020, and all I have is like about $50 to my name, and $5 I have to save for laundry, and the other 45 I'm gonna use it to buy. I'm about to go grocery shopping. With the little $45. And I'm not even sure if that's enough because they said that Hurricane Zeta, Tropical Storm Zeta, it strengthened to a hurricane, and it's supposed to look like it's supposed to attack New Orleans and Louisiana, but Pensacola, Florida is affected by it too because I think they closed the schools down a little earlier today, and they set up a shelter, but I'm covered until Saturday with the hotel room, like that white P2 Cruiser or whatever. That's not P2 Cruiser, but the white vehicle right there is gang stalker. So it's like I guess that's gonna be by default. You can't leave your house without thinking about gang stalking or the hotel room. So all I have is sorry for all this traffic noise. So I don't know how bad this hurricane is going to be, or if it might even switch up or take a different turn like Sally did, or what would happen. So I really do. I really do, need some help. Saturday I'm supposed to be back on the streets, and I need a little bit extra money for food and stuff. If anybody can help. And bad news, a targeted individual named Lisa T.I. Wow, look. That person is guilty of murder. That one headlight. Lisa T.I. Had died, and so keep Lisa T.I.'s family or whatever in your prayers, and maybe set up a GoFundMe for funeral expenses. So I'm sorry for this loud noise in traffic, but I was just saying that any quarter, dollar, or anything that y'all can donate, it helps. I'm just trying to stay safe for this potential hurricane here. So thanks so much. I really need desperate help. Thanks for listening. Bye.